Dense floss removes particles and debris. Activated carbon removes toxins, odors and discoloration. Patented bioholster removes toxic ammonia and nitrites. Diffuser grid removes additional toxins while adding oxygen for more active fish. Reduces splashing, making the return exceptionally quiet. Top reviews from the United States. Aqueon takes the lead in inexpensive, trouble-free filters. Aqueon has not always been my first choice. I have used many other products and seen many come and go in the last 55 years in the hobby. I am a wannabe European hobbyist that will spend for quality if I am convinced. I must say though I do have the American streak in me when I get that feeling of finding a deal, of getting more for my money. Well, I have converted to small tank hobbyist as I move closer to my golden years. So trouble-free and good deal take the lead in my smaller tanks. I have had monster tanks with 2 feet fish and more. Now it's refining my plants and the bio-tanks plants, balancing it and my fixed budget. Aqueon's filters Pro 20 and 50 are silent as they come, bedroom silent. If the power goes out at night, they start right up again without priming. Component parts are few and easy to put together for these older clumsy fingers and eyes. The price is very competitive with other high-quality brands. And their heaters for mini tanks, mini to 50 watts, do just what they say they will. Stop at 78 and come on when needed. Even in 2-gallon tanks for bettas. Thank you Aqueon for keeping the hobby real for this older hobbyist. You are up there with the best in my book. A satisfied customer.